Geothermal Development Company Tender Committee were today charged in a Nairobi court with abuse of office in awarding a 43 million shilling tender in 2012. The 9 denied all 7 charges before the court slapped 2 of the accused with a cash bail of 8 million shillings each.
The 9 are alleged to have been in a committee that failed to comply with the law on procurement and inappropriately influenced evaluation in signing and approving a multi-million contract tender. Led by the company secretary Praxidis Mbai and the managing director Silas Simiyu, the 9 denied the charges, absolving themselves from any blame attached to a procurement flaw that saw the awarding of a tender for rig move services. The value was 42,746,000 per rig drill, totaling to 1.7 billion shillings awarded to Bonafide Clearing and Forwarding Limited in 2012. All 9 directors insisting through their lawyers that due diligence was observed in the tendering process. Silas Simiyu and Praxidis Mbai faced separate additional charges of abuse of office and failing to ensure proper management of public funds in the deal, charges they all denied before the court.
We are asking you to consider the amount for cash bail and an alternative.
The accused applied to be released on reasonable terms, which were set at 8 million shillings cash bail for Simiyu and Mbai and 5 million shillings each for the rest, a directive that was vehemently opposed by the defense lawyers.
This is the first time to hear a bail of 8 million shillings. This prosecution policy has been there. It has not come into force today. That policy has been applied by all other courts. And the treatment of these accused persons speaks of a conspiracy. Conspiracy to defeat ends of justice.
The defense teams argued that by setting such unprecedented terms, the court was in essence delivering judgment in a case that was yet to be heard. Chief Magistrate Kennedy Bidali was however adamant that the amounts set are in line with judiciary's bail and bond guidelines.
We will move to the High Court during that interim period. So until then, the accused persons will be remanded in custody until the cash bail is paid.
The aggrieved parties vowed to make an appeal at a higher court and declined to take up any hearing dates until their grievances were heard by the High Court of Kenya. Timothy Otieno, KTN News.